Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable search indexing in Windows 10. Although Windows 10 search is an important feature to find apps, settings, and files, the indexing process can sometimes consume many resources that can negatively impact the experience, especially on low-end devices. If you keep your files organized, you can slow down the indexing process by excluding all search locations. To configure the indexer to improve system performance on Windows 10, use these steps. Open Settings. Click on Search. Click on Search Windows. Under the More Search Indexer Settings section, click the Advanced Search Indexer Settings option. Click the Modify button. Click the Show All Locations button. Under the Change Selected Locations section, clear all the selected locations. Click the OK button. Once you complete the steps, Windows Search will continue to run on your device, but Windows 10 will no longer index the specified locations, improving the overall performance. This covers disabling search index in Windows 10. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.